welcome back to the channel. I'm Hannah, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I am participating in a collaboration hosted by three beautiful ladies here on YouTube: Green Crystal Rose, Dazzling Designs by Denise, and Beverly's Design Time. These ladies all have great content on their channel, and they have put together a collaboration. The collaboration consists of us doing a GLAM 4th of July DIY, using Dollar Tree items with a cap of $20 or less, using a limit of video time of 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, I will say welcome and thank you for being here and watching. I hope that you would take a moment to look around my channel once you watch this video. Come back and check my channel out and see if you like what you see, and if you do, then I invite you to go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified of all new uploads from me. Thank you, lovely ladies, for hosting this collaboration. And I'm going to go ahead and get into this DIY. Alright, you guys, we're going to use one of these hats as our base for this centerpiece, GLAM 4th of July centerpiece. And we're going to use one pack of each tea lights, the stars in red and blue. And you can get this red necklace bling from the Dollar Tree for $1, but I got mine for $1.78 at Walmart. And I got 2 packs of the little acrylic gems, some of the red bling diamond ribbon wrap, and one of the star spangled garlands, 1 round foam, and 2 bouquets of red, white, and blue flowers. Now, to get started with this DIY, I'm going to use my hot glue gun just to press some holes in the top of this hat. This will allow me to stick the flowers through the top, because you can't pierce it unless you do this method here. And I tried cutting, but it was pretty difficult to even pierce it with scissors. So the hot glue gun trick seems to work pretty well. Now, taking my foam, I didn't even take off the plastic wrap, you guys. I'm going to put a little glue on the outer perimeter of the foam and stick it in the inside of this hat. Now, the reason I am doing this is so when I'm sticking the flowers through the top of the hat, I am sticking it down through that foam, and it provides more of a sturdier hold for the flowers. So I'm using my flower cutters, and I'm just going to cut my flowers and stick them in the center of this hat until I have them all arranged to my liking. And I am going to use the entire amounts of both bouquets for this DIY. Okay, and this is what it looks like when I've done. Now I'm going to take my star spangled, I don't know what this called is, garland, star spangled garland, and I'm going to just cut off some pieces, and I'm going to kind of make some like fireworks. It's mimicking like fireworks or sparkles, the little sparkles that you have. So that was my idea with that, and I'm just giving it a little twirl, some little decor pieces to make it fun and frilly. And I'm going to stick it down through some of the holes that are still available in the hat. And then I'm going to take just a slight bit of glue to the bottom and to the petals of the flowers to kind of give it a little extra hold to make sure it's standing straight and erect. And I'm going to do this with 3. You can do as many as you want. And then I'm going to just kind of decorate with the star spangled little garland. Now our next step is to take our red bling diamond ribbon wrap and place it on alternating strips of red from the hat. And I already pre-cut it just to keep the time frame down, since we are on a time frame. So you're going to do every other one with that using hot glue. Now these little tea lights are optional. You can just drop them down in the flowers just so it could be like a peekaboo effect and give a little bit of glow from the flowers. I wouldn't make it permanent. However, the one tea light there I did glue down to the front of the hat, and I did it in a way where I can still be able to turn it on and off. Now taking those acrylic gems, I'm just adding a dollop of hot glue and placing them down, and I'm going to finish it up with these red beads by just dropping them down in there and adding a little glue along the way. And that should complete our DIY. I'm going to show you guys one more option of styling with some flags that I forgot to show you guys in the beginning of the video. So you guys, this is option number 1, and I want you to know that with option number 2 and option number 1 together, everything in this completed look came to under $11, exactly $10.78. So I forgot to add on those dollar flags here, and this makes option number 2 with the flags. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY and was inspired to create something similar or just something nice for the 4th of July. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I love the fact that it did not cost me a whole lot of money to complete it. Thank you guys for hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.